Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th and really welcome after term 1. Okay, now we are on term 2 and it's really like we can't imagine that we are still in circle of pandemics. Means I had thought that term 2 will start in school, but still there are no chances, I guess. At least a little hope is there that 9th and 10th something will be done. So I hope you are all safe and taking care. All right, so everything will be fine. Let's hope for the best and let's start for term 2. So for term 2 you have seen chapter 23 fundamental concepts we are going to see. Okay, so let's see fundamental concepts. Again, it's a new topic for you all. Little base is done in 5th, but that's not enough. Okay, so fundamental concepts chapter 23. So basic concept is geometry is the study of the position, shape, size and other properties of different figures. When we take an object, any object, and when we study about its position, its shape, its size and other property, how long it is, how many dimensions it is and so on. So we say that is what is geometry. Okay, so when we study particular position, shape, size and other properties of different figures, we say that it is geometry. So geometrical terms such as point, line, plane, etc. carry the basic ideas for the development of geometry. Means what? With these point, line, plane, etc. we will study geometry. Okay, so let's see point. A point is a mark of position. It has neither length nor width nor thickness and occupies no space. So take this, see this point or just see this point. So you can see it doesn't have length, it doesn't have width, it doesn't have thickness, means there is no length, breadth and height. Also it doesn't occupies space. Okay. So a small dot made with a sharp pencil on a plain sheet of paper represents a point. So a point can be represented this way, not this way. Okay, this is wrong. So this is correct. So point is always this, we can say, not this. So a point is represented by a dot. In general, it is represented by capital letters such as A, P, X, and we say it as, or when we read it as, point P, point X and on. So you can see here points have been drawn, point P, point A, point X. The reading way is point P, point A, point X. Okay, so that's what all about point. Now let's see line. Line was there last year. So a line has only length, it has neither width nor thickness. So this is a line, you can see. A line has arrows on both the sides. Okay, a line has arrows on both the sides. It has only length, it doesn't have breadth, it doesn't has breadth, it doesn't have length. Sorry, it doesn't have breadth and thickness. So it has only length. A line has only a length. You can see two arrows. Two arrows shows that this line can extend it on left side. This line can be extended on right side. So the length of line is unlimited, or we say it is limitless. The length is limitless. So a line as shown alongside is represented by a straight mark and two arrowheads, and it is denoted by two capital letters. So you can see here capital letters. You can use A to Z, any capital letters. Okay, so only you can use capital letters. The word line usually refer to a straight line. So whenever we say line, it means only a straight lines. But if you want to mention that I have to draw curve line, so you have to mention specially that curve line. Okay. But when I say draw a line, means you have to draw a straight line only. Okay, so a line through points A and B is denoted as AB. You can see symbol. This is the symbol, children. So line AB, A and B is denoted as, say this is the line which they are talking about. So AB, this mark, this is the symbol for line, or AB or BA. It's one and the same. You can write it AB, line AB or line BA, or either this way or this way. Okay, so this is the method to write line segment AB, or extremely sorry, not line segment, line AB and line AB. Okay, so denoted as AB, line AB, line BA, or okay, so this is the way to write down. Then next is the two arrows of a line drawn in opposite directions indicate that the line has unlimited length. That is, it can be extended up to any distance or either side. I have already explained that a line is always two arrows are there at the end, which shows that I can extend to this level, I can extend to this direction, and I can extend to this direction also. Okay, so a line is always a straight line. A line may be straight or curved, but when we say a line, it means straight line only. See, line can be this type also, line can be this type also, but in general when I say about a line, it means only a straight line. If you want to mention specially that draw curve line, then you have to mention draw a curve line. All right, the basic idea of line is its straightness, and it extends infinitely in both the directions. So what is the most important part about line is that it is straight, and second thing, you can extend it on both the sides. So an unlimited number of lines can be drawn through a given fixed point. So if you have a point, you can draw unlimited number of lines, means infinite number of lines. Okay, only one line can be drawn through any two fixed points. So you can just take any two fixed point, or I'll show you. See, first point, this is a point, so point A. So unlimited, that is limitless, that is infinite, means there is no end to it. So these types of lines can be drawn. Okay, so these are lines, means on a single point infinite lines can be drawn. Okay, next was if two points are there. If two points are there, I can draw only one line passing through it. I cannot draw more than one line passing through the 2 points. Through 1 point, I can draw infinite. Through 2 points, I can draw only one line. Okay. So, every line has an infinite number of points in it. So, every line means any line you take that consists of infinite number of points, means you cannot count them. So line is made of infinite number of points. Okay, so let's see ray. It is a line that is straight line. So when I say line, you know now it's always straight line that starts from the given fixed point and moves in the same direction. Means what? This is the line. Sorry, this is ray. So point from here it starts, and this is the starting point and this is the extending point. One arrow means this ray can be extended in this direction. It can't be extended from A's direction, but it can be extended from B's direction. Okay, so that is what is ray, and it is represented this way. Ray AB. This is read as ray AB. So let's see little batches in detail. So when I talk about ray, it is point. So this is A and B. Okay. So what does it mean, children? It means that this is a ray. You know sun rays. What are sun rays? You have heard this, sun ray. So what does it mean? We used to draw like this when we were small, right? Sun. What does it mean? The rays, they start from here and they go back. They go and they come back. They never come back. They go like this and it never come back. Same way here also. This is the initial point. From it, sun rays are going out. You can extend. Okay, imagine just sun rays are going out. Okay, so this is the point. From here, line is getting extended in one direction only, in B's direction only. You cannot, this is the end point, initial point or end point. So from here, line cannot be this full stop. This point means full stop. Here there is no extension. Here there is extension. Arrow means you can extend. So see, we have studied about line. That line is, you can extend on both the sides. Then ray, you have seen, you can extend at one side only. Okay. And how to represent a ray? Represent means how to write that you are writing a ray. So AB only, or ray AB. Ray AB. You cannot write BA like line. If you write this BA, this is wrong. Why? Initial point should be written first. See, it is starting with A, initial point is A, so A should be written first. If ray is like this, children, this is A and here it is B. Okay, means the starting point is B, initial point is B, it is emerging from B. So here I have to write BA, means from B it is starting. So it is actually, it is like this. So write BA. Understood? So you cannot write AB here. Direction will change. You are writing opposite. So BA is the correct one. Alright. So array has only one endpoint. That you know, this is endpoint, which is also known as its initial point. Why I am saying endpoint? Because you cannot extend from here. It extends indefinitely in only one direction. Okay, now you see, you have seen line extends in both the directions because two arrows are there at the end. So it extends indefinitely in both the directions. Same way, ray extends, since only one arrow is there, so ray extends at one direction only. Okay, and you know how to write it. I have shown you. An unlimited of numbers of rays can be drawn with the same initial point. So see, this is the, you know, sun is the, suppose sun is a point, and so from that point so many rays can be, infinite rays can be drawn or can be formed. So same way in through point also infinite number of rays will be drawn. A ray is a part of a line. A ray is a part of a line. What's the meaning of a ray is a part of a line is, see, you know now this is a line because both the sides arrows are there, means it's a line. Okay, so this is line AB, suppose. So this is A and this is B. Okay, so suppose now here one point I take and this is P. So here we say that PB. So I'm talking only about this part. I'm talking about only this. So what it became? So it has become a ray. Point P is initial end point and B you can extend infinitely. So what is, so this is ray PB, right? So I can talk about ray PB also. Now same thing I can do here. I can write PA. PA is also a ray. See, PA, from here it is starting, here it is getting extended, means PA. I cannot write ray AP because initial point you have to write first. So PB and PA. Okay, so that's why it is said that a ray is a part of a line. Okay, so for today, children, we'll stop here. Next video, please go through the textbook, read the textbook again and again, and please go through the video and read the textbook, and please take care. Okay.